Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? We have an Escalade 2006 and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the ignition lock cylinder. Okay, so first you got to remove this plastic. There's no screws, you just pop it open. Okay, and then you're able to see your ignition. Okay,
first you peel this cap. They normally have a little ring around here. So what you do is you would scrape the ring off. In this case, they already made a key before, so you pop the ring off carefully. Let me see one of your little picks. One of the thin ones. Let me see. I would use this one here. You need to push the sidebar down. Okay, right in here there's a sidebar. You would stick this in the sidebar. The sidebar's in here. So you would stick this in the sidebar to kind of push it in. And then you get your jiggler.
which one are you using?
Any one. You're going to try different ones to see which one works. If that one doesn't work, you go to a different jiggler and you just jiggle it. This is putting pressure on it.
How do you know the sidebar is down already?
Because you hear it click.
Oh.
Okay, then you want to go to, for example, this one. You just gotta try different ones. So you hold the sidebar in there, and you just jiggle it out. So you just gotta find the right, there it is right there. So you pull this out, and then you, okay, once it's open all the way, you hold it forward, you push the top button, and it comes out. And then you're gonna get the number on there, which is, that's the number.
For the key code?
The key code, yeah. So this is the sidebar. This is the one you were pushing down. When you stick it in there, this is what you were pushing down. So you're pushing this down, and you're moving the wafers in there.
Which one did you use? Which one?
You just gotta move it. And in this case, we use this one. But sometimes you can, there's different ones you can use. But you gotta try different ones. And you'll hear it click. And then you just...
Which button do you press?
It's up here. It's a circle button.
Oh, inside that little hole?
Yeah, it's inside a little hole. So what you're doing is you're pushing this one down. So when you turn it forward, you're pushing this down, and it pops out. Take it out. Okay. That's it. Okay. So that's the sequence. So it has to be an S. So that last one has to be either a D. So S536D. Let's try that. S563D. Voila. That's exactly what it is.
Click on it so I can see the...
So you click on it, and that's your code right there. Cadillac Escalade. So see, it's a S563, the last letter is a D. It looked like a 0, but we don't know, but we had to look at the series numbers. So the series is it starts with an S, 000, A through K.
A through K.
Right.
The alphabet.
The alphabet. So this is it right here. So let's type it in. The code is 563D. So pop it in, and then you would go to return. So we're at a S563 D as in David. Confirm. There we are. So we cut this baby up. This is the sidebar.
Do it like that. Do it at that angle. Put it in the can. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I see it move.
If you put it in the side, you can see it.
Move slightly.
That slightly moved. That's
Yeah,
it.
slightly.
So try it on the door. You gotta confirm it on the door.
Alright, so we're just gonna confirm it on the door. Make sure it works on the door. Perfect. Success. So now we're just gonna go ahead and install our ignition lock cylinder back inside the truck.
So what you do is you put the key back in, and then you put it back in this way. Once you click it back, that's it.
It's locked in there.
Yeah, you have to push it in the way it goes in. The door worked, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There it is. There's a little play. The switch is already failing, but it has nothing to do with us. It's working. Bring some oil. Let's oil it up. It should work fine. It just needed a little oil. After we oiled it up, it's working perfect. So if you ever get it stuck, you need to do the magic. Do not spray the oil inside the cylinder. Don't spray it inside the housing. You're gonna spray it inside the cylinder. So you have to remove it, spray it in the cylinder, and then put it in. Do not spray it inside the housing. And then it works as a charm. What a little bit of oil does. So you just pop this one back in. That's it. Obviously, in this case, this vehicle has been sitting parked for a while. The battery doesn't work, but this should be able to start. There's no transponder. This is the hardest part of doing this job. You have to align it, obviously, but this customer is going back to an auction, so they don't really care. The customer just wants the key. He doesn't care to be perfect because he's going back to an auction. So our job is done here.
Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, alright? Until next time, you guys.